Okay, day 4 of the Eastern European blizzard. I'm going to zoom in here and I want you to look how high the snow piled on the cars. You can't open the door to get in that car. That's how deep the snow is. They was using loaders and backhoes just to clear the streets after the graders would go through and grade it off. But the temperature's rising. It went from a dry snow. There goes the lady in a fur coat. Fur's real big over here. You can look at it pulling down on the limbs on the pine tree where it's so thick. But as I was saying, let me zoom back. The temperature's rising, and it went from a dry snow. It is now a wet snow. And I'll show you here. I can make a little snowball here. It was powder yesterday. You couldn't do that, and the wind has quit blowing. It was just miserable. It was like Siberia. But anyway, it's still snowing. There goes a guy in a fur hat. Yeah, it's snowing for 4 days now, and it don't look like it's going to quit. Thanks for watching.